advanced machinery and automated equipment to streamline the apple harvesting process. The use of drones in agriculture has expanded rapidly, and now innovative technologies are being developed to utilize drones for apple picking. These drones are designed to help farmers improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and minimize damage to fruit during the harvest process. Drones are equipped with robotic arms that have gentle, soft grippers designed to pick apples without bruising or damaging them. The arms can precisely target and pick apples based on the data provided by the drone's sensors. Drones equipped with GPS and advanced mapping software can navigate orchards with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough coverage. Algorithms help the drone determine the most efficient route to cover the entire orchard and reach all the apples. High-resolution cameras and optical sensors assess apple ripeness by analyzing color, size, and other visual indicators. Some drones use 3D imaging to create detailed maps of the orchard canopy, which helps in identifying the optimal picking paths and locating ripe apples. Furthermore, there are several other types of harvesting machines that are highly favored by American farmers. Freshly picked apples are carefully placed into large plastic or wooden field bins, which are covered during transport to protect the fruit from damage. Late varieties may be left on the trees longer to allow for increased sugars and flavor development. At the packing house, apples are pre-sized and run through dump tanks to remove debris. They then pass through cleaning sprays, brushes, and waxing stations before being sorted and graded by sophisticated vision systems and trained workers. Defective apples are removed, and the remaining fruit is polished with food-grade wax and coatings if desired. Controlled atmosphere rooms with oxygen scrubbing pumps are utilized to extend the storage life of packed apples. Packed apples are moved to refrigerated storage facilities set at specific temperatures, typically 30 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity levels 90 to 95% to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Automatic monitoring systems in the trucks continuously track the internal conditions to ensure there are no significant fluctuations in temperature or humidity, helping the apples stay fresh. Refrigerated trucks deliver apples to major distribution centers, where the apples are unloaded and undergo another quality inspection. from the distribution center, apples are dispatched and transported to various consumption areas nationwide using suitable transportation methods, ensuring the apples reach their destinations as quickly as possible to maintain freshness. Where do these luscious, juicy apples go when they are consumed in such big quantities? A significant portion of harvested apples is distributed to local markets, grocery stores, and major supermarket chains across the country. These apples are sold fresh for direct consumption by consumers. A substantial quantity of apples is exported to international markets, including countries in Asia, Europe, and North America. Exported apples meet the demand in foreign markets for high-quality American apples. They are sold fresh or processed into various products before being exported. Apples are also sent to food processing companies where they are transformed into various apple products. These apples are used to produce apple juice, cider, applesauce, apple pie filling, dried apples, and other apple-based products. Processing allows for extended shelf life and adds value beyond the fresh fruit market. These apple juice factories in the USA not only focus on producing fresh and delicious apple juice, but also ensure compliance with the highest food safety standards. They use modern technology and advanced production processes to deliver high-quality products to consumers. While varieties like Granny Smith, Red Delicious, and Fuji are household names that are sold in supermarkets, the world of apples is much more diverse and intriguing. There are unique apple varieties that offer a delightful departure from the ordinary. Originating from the high altitudes of Tibet, the black diamond apple is truly a visual and culinary gem. Its dark purple to black skin sets it apart from more conventional apple varieties. Originating in California, USA, the pink pearl apple is notable for its beautiful light green to yellow skin that hides a striking pink flesh. This unique coloration makes it a favorite among apple enthusiasts and chefs alike. The pink pearl's flavor is a delightful balance of tart and sweet, with a hint of berry-like flavor. From Oregon, USA, comes the hidden rose apple, a variety that lives up to its name. Its yellowish-green skin conceals vibrant red-pink flesh. The flavor of the hidden rose apple is crisp, sweet, and tart, reminiscent of strawberries and lemonade. Originating from England, the Ashmead's kernel is an apple with a rustic charm, thanks to its rough, russeted skin and golden brown hue. Its flavor is intense, aromatic, and tangy, with a complex, spicy sweetness that apple enthusiasts highly regard. The opal apple, originating from the Czech Republic, is distinguished by its bright yellow skin with occasional russet spots. Its flavor is a delightful combination of sweet and tangy, with a hint of tropical fruit. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the future of farming. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more mind-blowing food processing technology.